to make hair grow faster with coconut oil and neem leaves. Ingredients: 1 cup of coconut oil, 4 tablespoons neem leaves, ground to a paste, water, glass bowl, big saucepan, and strainer. Now, what you have to do is pour the water into the saucepan and place the glass bowl inside it to make a double boiler. Next, pour the coconut oil and neem leaf paste into the glass bowl and heat the mixture on the stove for about 15 minutes, until the oil has turned dark green. Keep stirring the mixture continuously. Now, strain out the neem leaf paste from the oil and store the oil in a glass jar. Then, massage this neem-infused coconut oil onto your hair oil and leaves it on for an hour or overnight before washing it off. For best results, follow this routine once a week. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.